Good morning. Crazy weather, right? I mean, it's... Pranks? At 8 a.m.? Game on, I haven't even had my coffee yet. You're hilarious! You're hilarious! Super glue? Bathroom time. Whew. Uh-huh. Yeah. You didn't think I would notice the box computer? This is me doing work! Open emails. Open emails. Closing time again. Those are some good pranks you had, but tomorrow you're gonna be sorry.